If you get worksheet data from different countries, or you're simply working with data and you need to convert between different measuring systems, the function you want to be using is convert. It's actually not a math function. If you're looking in the Formulas tab in the ribbon for this, you'll find it under the heading More Functions and then under Engineering. And there it is called Convert. The description converts a number from one measurement system to another, and it's quite extensive. A few simple examples we'll start with here. 190 kilometers. How many miles is that? Equal convert. Here's the value in question, comma. Note the pop-up tip below, from unit and a to unit. Two different entries following this. And the pop-up list here is huge. It's over 102 different choices here. Now, oddly enough, if you look through this, you will not find kilometer. But you will find, and this would not be the fastest way to do this, but you do see in the list here, for example, meter. We could certainly type this faster, but we could tab this into place, then put a K in front of it. So second time around, you'll probably just type KM. Comma, miles, we could pick it out of the list or simply type it. You'll see it in there as well, too. Notice that the pop-ups here are now limited. In other words, we don't see the complete list of 102 of them, but we do see miles. So there is a certain amount of context sensitivity about what the first unit is, the from unit, because it alerts us to the possible entries we might want. We could certainly override this and type in something different if we knew what it was, but in this case, maybe we'll just click statute mile here and press tab and find out how many miles that 190 kilometers is. And it's 118.1. And similarly, going the opposite direction, we could do this here. What I might do here is just use the control key, drag this down to here, copy it. Obviously, it's not the correct answer yet, but just reverse the order of these. So I'll make this one be MI, and this one to the right to be KM. Get rid of the I. And we will have the number of kilometers that 95 miles represents. And similar here with Celsius, and here too, as you're typing these, you might forget, unless you use these frequently, as to what code to use. So for example, for Celsius, are you going to type CEL, or is it found in here somewhere? And you won't find it easily necessarily, but there it is. It's simply the letter C we can use there. Now you can tab it in or type it, comma, and you can of course guess the other one will be F. And it is case sensitive, so you want to be careful with the upper and lower case. Some of these will work either way, some will not. So 37 degrees Celsius, perhaps a lot of you know, is 98.6 Fahrenheit body temperature. Now, if I make this a small f, will this work? It could stand for something else, and it doesn't apply it at all here. Off to the right in columns G and H, and then J and K, I've indicated just a few of these, but this is by no means extensive and not the complete list. The ones you'll find yourself using frequently, you'll probably remember, but here are a few of them to use. So this is very handy when you're working with different measuring systems and you need to make conversions by way of this convert function.